Alright, I'm back. It's been a while, but I've made a new project I think everyone's gonna like. That is a action RPG that I've coded in around nonstop for 2 weeks, and it's a lot very similar to games like Diablo 1 and 2. So if I go and create a new character and say, I'll put 4 into strength. Actually, I'll put 4 into agility, 2 into stamina, and I'll say, okay, next. Then I'll call this guy Bob. And I think Bob's a well-balanced character, so I'll load another character called Bob. And I'll put this Bob in the join. And oh yes, this is a multiplayer game. There's 3 different difficulties, so I can go, well, I can't choose any of these because they require higher levels. So I can just go here. And since this is the same computer, I'll just type in localhost. And now I can go and buy some items. So this, I'm going to put in player 1. And I can go, okay, I'm going to go to the blacksmith. And where's some good items here? Here we go. Short sword of wounding. Plus 10, plus 2 damage. Let's buy. Now let's leave. Now I'm going to equip that. Now I'm going to say, well, I don't need my dagger anymore. So I'm going to go trade with Bob, and I'm going to say, you can have my dagger. Go, oh, thank you, I already have one, but I'm going to give you 10 gold. And say, yes, I'm going to agree. So now, I don't have my dagger anymore, but I have my sword of wounding. And now I have 2 daggers. I don't know, you can't dual wield in this, but I have 2. So now he's feeling confident with his 2 daggers, and it's going to go into level 1. And I have 13 damage, but so I'm just going to wait for the game to load. Yeah, it takes a while for the game to load because it's just randomly generating so many kilobytes of data because levels are kind of big. And they're not too bad, but they are a little large and they require a lot of time to, not a lot of time, but just time. Yeah, about that much time. So then, now I can go, okay, well, this level 1 is loaded, so I can go to level 1. So here we are. And there he is, he's updated. Now I'm going to say, okay, I want to go get this item. Because this dollar sign is an item. Then found inferior robes. So now I can go, okay. Well, there's actually a spider up here. That little P up there was a spider. And he actually moves into my direction. And he's going to follow me down here. So I can go, okay, I'm going to kill the spider. There we go, killed him in 2 hits, because I have a crap ton of damage. Now this guy is going to go, okay, well you're just taking all the glory, and I don't like you. So he's going to go on his menu here, and turn hostile on. Then he's going to go up here, and he's only going to do 2 damage because he only has 6 attack and I have 4 armor, but he's going to hit me. And then, now once it updates, I'll only have 30 hit points. So, it's not too much damage. This guy's damage sucks, and he doesn't have the, sword of wounding that I do. Magical item. So I don't really care much, so I'm going to go, and both of these guys are going to get into a line for me. I'm going to drink a potion here. And there we go. Now you see I've replenished some of my gold that I've lost through buying items. But this guy, he hasn't killed anything because I can only control one guy at a time. And I like this guy better because he has more damage. And now I can probably move this guy over here. And since it's a semi-turn-based game, because everybody really they can do what they want and stuff, but It's all on their own computer. It's turn-based on their own. So here, let's see this guy here. It's gonna take a few hits to kill him, but can eventually get him. Inferior small axe. Club of Strength. There we go. Oh, that's a good one. Let's add that. So there we go. And now we're almost matched to this guy. I'll just drink a potion. And you can just stock up potions at the town if you want. So I can kill this guy here. And there we are. I'm going to pick up this item. Robes of Stamina. Okay, now we're going somewhere. So there we go, and now I have extra life. And this guy wants to attack me. And you can see I'm quickly building up stats. Like, the first bit of the game, you're really weak, but then you start to build up stats like crazy. And so I can just go, okay, well, all the stuff's gone here, so I'm gonna go see what's going on. See if this guy left me anything. And look at that, one spider. And there isn't only just spiders, I'm just getting poor luck here, that there's only one monster here. Or one monster type, rather. Oh, 8 health. Drink a potion. Now I'm out of potions, so I can just press C, or whatever your menu. You can change the controls in the main menu. So I can go travel to town. I can say, well, I have lots of gold, so I'm gonna go buy some potions. Drink one right now. And there we are. And I'm gonna say, well, that's about good. And since I'm player 1, if I quit, then everyone is doomed. So I think it's getting long enough, this video, so I'll save and quit. And it's gonna say the game has closed. So there we are, and it saves my characters. And if you don't do save and quit and just click X, it's not gonna save your character. And you can change your controls just by going here and saying, I want up to be S, and then it changes down and up, and so now it's gonna be inverted. That's gonna be annoying. So I can go back, exit, and the multiplayer is, it likes my computer because I've configured my computer to make it work. But how you get it working on your computer is you go to advanced sharing, and you want to turn on file and printer sharing, and you want to turn on sharing so anyone can with network access can read and write to your public folders, because this multiplayer, how it works is it writes to your public folders. And just for convenience, turn off password protected sharing. It's highly recommended because it's just so annoying. And this only has to be done for the host, but it's recommended that you do it with all computers that are going to be playing this game. And yeah, see ya.